Watchdog.
Every year, violent crimes that threaten women increase. Watchdog. Upon sudden attack, it is very hard to urgently ask for help with a smartphone. In case of a sudden attack, an emergency risk signal can be sent with a simple press of a button for 3 seconds. Thanks to a linkage between smartphone and Bluetooth, messages for urgent help and current location are sent to 5 pre-assigned telephone numbers even though the smartphone is in a pocket or in a bag. Among these numbers, Watchdog Bodyguard connects automatically to one of these telephone numbers. Smart Bodyguard. It is essential to save your beloved family and precious girlfriend in a dark night street. Watchdog Bodyguard.
Watchdog.